Everyone, and welcome back to day 6. I think it's day 6 today. I don't remember. It's Monday for us. The girls are back in school after the weekend, and I have been just cleaning up the kitchen this morning, getting laundry started, making beds, you know, all that fun stuff. And I am realizing that I really probably need to take some time this week and deep clean my house. It is in desperate need of it. I don't know when I'm going to work it in, but I really need to get that done. So I'm hoping I maybe can spend a little bit of time each day the rest of this week just deep cleaning, like one room at a time. That I think would be a really good plan. So I will probably start in the kitchen, but actually I'll probably wait for the kitchen because there'll be a lot of baking going on here in the next week or so. So let's see what is going on today. I don't really have anything official on the books for the family today, other than I think Zoe might be going over to her friend's house after school, so I will need to pick her up a little later today, which is fine. And then I most likely will be going to Aldi with my sister this morning sometime. So that is what is happening today. And the rest of the day, I'm just going to work on projects. Today is the day to get out my Christmas cards. I have been putting it off, so today's the day. It's got to get done today. So that is my plan, to get that finished up today. So I guess I will check in with you later. Bye. Alright, my sister called. She says she is on the way to pick me up. I had her I had her wait a little longer today. I feel bad about that, but I have been spending the morning not doing what I thought I was going to be doing, but just working on like paperwork, like end of the year sort of stuff that we need to get in, like our electives for health insurance and that sort of stuff. I was helping JJ with that this morning, and just like other little things that I kind of been putting off that I need to get done. But yeah, that and our furnace is making a weird noise, so I called on that also. So tomorrow the furnace guy will come, and hopefully it's not gonna be too expensive. I'm hoping it's just a little part they can fix. But seriously, we have had really good luck. We've been in this house for over 10 years and we've never really had a problem with the furnace. So I'm crossing my fingers and knocking on wood that it's not going to be a big thing. If it is, I guess we'll deal with it. So yeah, so Carrie is on the way to pick me up, so I need to quickly make a shopping list for this week and get myself ready to go out the door, and I will check in with you later. Alright, so I am back from the store. My house seems to be rather messy this morning. I cleaned up the living room and stuff. I still need to vacuum. I still have the pine cones all over the floor from when the dogs shredded that pine cone last week. I just keep forgetting about it. I just keep walking on them instead. I'm a terrible housewife. Anyways, so I'm back from Aldi. Got all the groceries put away. I'm going to make a pizza for lunch today, I think. I haven't had pizza in a while, so that'll be quick and easy. And until the lunch is ready, I'm going to work on my Christmas cards. So I think I have a good dent in them, so I'm hoping that I can finish them up today, no problem. So wish me luck, and I'll check in with you later. Bye. What, Benny? What do you need? What do you need? And then what do you need to? You think you need food, huh? Alright. Are you excited? Alright. Oh, I missed your bowl, kinda, sorry. Should we get some for Rima, too? Here you go, Rima. You gonna eat some of your food? Huh? Oh. Vinny's eating her food. Cleaning up my mess for me. Thanks, Vinny. That's so helpful. What do you think? Huh? What do you think today? You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are.